Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Weblex and on this channel I create Roblox animated stories inspired by a real life event, historical moment, fascinating internet stories, and fictional tales that capture the imagination. My goal is to turn these stories into entertaining and engaging animation that anyone can enjoy. This channel is for viewers who love storytelling, animation, and discovering unique stories from around the world. Whether you're here to learn something new, be inspired, or simply enjoy a great story, there's something here for you. You might be wondering how I create my videos. First, I research interesting stories from various sources online, then I carefully write my own commentary and narration, adapt the story into a Roblox animation format, create the scenes, animate the character, and edit everything together to deliver an enjoyable viewing experience. Every video takes time, creativity, and effort to produce, and my goal is always to make each story entertaining while adding my own presentation and storytelling style. If that sounds like something you enjoy, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community. Thank you for being here, and I can't wait to share more amazing stories with all of you.